Hello, and welcome to Science of Design Talks. We created these short, snackable video series for marketing and product leaders who want to learn how they can use behavioral science to scale and grow their products. Each video is only a few minutes long and will cover a single behavioral science principle plus some real-life applications of it. Enjoy. For today's concept, we're going to cover a behavioral science principle called pre-commitment. Generally, what that means is that humans, we basically tend to discount the future while also assuming that sometime in the future, we're going to be perfectly rational and eat our fruits and vegetables and exercise and all of those good things. However, obviously, when the future arrives, that cake is going to be a lot more tempting than it was yesterday. And so the idea here is that we want to basically get people to pre-commit to the behavior that's going to serve them well in the future and kind of get them to pre-commit in the present time to that future behavior. The way we cover this is an example that we covered that uses a bunch of different behavioral science principles, but pre-commitment is one of the principles that we used here. This was work that we did for a B2B company. Basically, the challenge that they had was that they were investing in a lot of events as a way of generating leads, but then they were struggling to get people that would come to their events and were in a hot activated state to ultimately then schedule a demo with their sales team. And so the goal was, how can we increase demo signups with our sales team after the events? And so we did a number of different behavioral science techniques for them. But one of the things that we did was basically getting users to basically pre-commit to this idea of a demo. And so the idea was that when you were at one of the actual events or conferences, we would get you to pre-commit to doing a sales demo with their team. And so we made it super easy, removed a lot of friction, had people just fill out this very quick online survey with scheduled times to chat with their sales team and ultimately pre-commit to a conversation with the sales team in order to get them to complete that action. We did this as well as a number of other behavioral science techniques. And the results were pretty staggering. We were able to generate over 5,000 leads for them in the first year alone from their events. Another example of leveraging this behavioral science concept of pre-commitment is this really amazing work that Richard Thaler did, one of the godfathers of behavioral science, and helping people save for their future retirement. And so the challenge at hand was, how do we get people to basically save for their retirement and 401k? And a number of different principles was used, but a big part of it was really leveraging this idea of pre-commitment and getting people to commit now to basically taking any kind of salary increases that they might have in future years towards their 401k savings. And the results were actually quite impressive. People really did increase their contributions, and about 80% of the employees that participated in this program stayed in it. This also really put, again, behavioral science on the map in terms of leveraging these principles to nudge people towards outcomes that are in their best interest. Do you have a marketing or product challenge that could use help from behavioral science? Each month, we offer 5 free behavioral science consults with our team of scientists to our listeners. To see if you qualify, simply follow the link hellonextstep.com/SOD and drop us a note. And remember, you can also take advantage of the wealth of free content that we have on our website in our resources section, including videos, how-tos, and case studies. Thanks so much.